Halloween is more than a date on the calendar. It is a transformation of mood, imagination, and atmosphere. It is the season where the everyday is reimagined, where the ordinary shifts into something extraordinary. The crisp air, the mystery of twilight, and the anticipation of the unexpected all combine to create a unique energy. Decorating for Halloween is not about extravagance or strict rules, but about telling a story that captures this energy. It is about creating an environment that feels alive with spirit, whether eerie, whimsical, enchanting, or playful. What makes it beautiful is that everyone can approach it differently, yet still capture the essence of the season. Halloween is versatile, carrying both the weight of old traditions and the lightheartedness of modern play. To embrace it fully is to lean into creativity, to welcome transformation, and to let imagination set the tone for a celebration unlike any other. At the core of Halloween decorating is atmosphere, the invisible quality that defines how everything feels. Atmosphere is not about complexity, but about mood, and it begins with intention. Do you want the season to whisper of mystery, to hum with enchantment, or to pulse with excitement? That choice sets the stage. Atmosphere thrives on contrast, the interplay between shadows and light, stillness and motion, quietness and bursts of energy. These opposites work together to capture the tension that makes Halloween so captivating. People rarely remember every detail of what they saw, but they always remember how a space made them feel. That is the essence of atmosphere. Its power lingers, even after the moment passes. It invites curiosity, stirs imagination, and encourages people to lean into the story being told. The magic of Halloween is that atmosphere doesn't need extravagance. Even the simplest effort, if guided by intention, can transform the ordinary into something memorable. This is why atmosphere is the true heart of Halloween. It is what shapes the season into an experience rather than a display. If these Dollar Tree Halloween decor ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love budget-friendly Halloween fun. If atmosphere is the foundation, imagination is the brush that paints it. Halloween thrives on creativity, encouraging people to explore possibilities beyond the everyday. It is the one season where there are no limits, where the unusual feels welcome and the extraordinary becomes normal. Imagination allows you to take simple concepts and turn them into something layered with meaning and mood. It is not about perfection, but about experimentation, about mixing ideas, embracing surprises, and creating something that feels alive. Every vision is personal. One person may lean into mystery and suspense, while another celebrates whimsy and delight. Both are equally true to the spirit of Halloween. What makes this season magical is the freedom it offers, the chance to try, to invent, and to reimagine. Imagination ensures that no two spaces, celebrations, or moods ever feel the same. Each effort reflects the personality of its creator, and that individuality is what keeps Halloween endlessly exciting. With imagination at work, Halloween becomes less of a routine and more of a living canvas that changes every year, yet always carries the same spark of enchantment. Which Dollar Tree decoration would you pick for your Halloween setup? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. Halloween has always lived in the balance between old tradition and playful spirit. On one side lies its deep connection to folklore, mystery, and the unknown, a time when the boundary between worlds felt thinner. On the other side lies its joyful embrace of fun, laughter, and delight. This duality gives the season its richness. Decorating captures this balance beautifully, because it allows both sides to exist at once. A scene can carry hints of suspense and shadow while still being filled with charm and humor. The mysterious side brings depth, reminding us of Halloween's roots, while the playful side keeps it accessible and lighthearted for all ages. The harmony between these opposites is what makes the season timeless. Too much of one may feel incomplete, but together they create something unforgettable. What's remarkable is how seamlessly tradition and play merge, never clashing, always complementing. This balance is why Halloween resonates with so many people. It feels both ancient and modern, mysterious and fun, serious and joyful. And in decorating, this combination becomes a reflection of that duality, allowing each person to express both reverence for tradition and love for celebration. For more creative and affordable Halloween decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for even more inspiration. Ultimately, Halloween is about expression. It is the opportunity to share a vision, to let creativity take form, and to show personality through atmosphere. Expression means there is no single correct way to celebrate the season. Each person's interpretation carries its own value. For some, it may be a world of mystery and suspense, evoking chills and curiosity. For others, it may be lighthearted, filled with whimsy and play. Both approaches speak to the heart of Halloween because the season is not about uniformity, but about diversity of imagination. The act of decorating becomes less about outcome and more about process. It's about the joy of shaping an idea, of experimenting, of seeing something evolve into a reflection of your own spirit. And because no two expressions are alike, every celebration feels unique. This is what gives Halloween its endless variety. It belongs to everyone and yet looks different in every hand. The joy of expression ensures that Halloween remains alive and fresh each year, never losing its magic, always sparking new ways of wonder. It is this act of personal expression that defines the true soul of Halloween. One of the most captivating elements of Halloween is its sense of mystery. There is a thrill in the unknown, a subtle excitement that comes from what might be just out of sight. Mystery sparks curiosity, imagination, and wonder, inviting people to pause and explore the story unfolding around them. It is about creating a feeling rather than presenting anything concrete, an atmosphere where shadows, contrasts, and anticipation work together to engage the senses. The allure of mystery transforms ordinary spaces or moments into something enchanting, keeping attention and interest alive. It encourages creative thinking, as it allows each person to fill in the gaps with their imagination. This sense of the unknown adds depth to the season, reminding us that Halloween is not just seen, it is felt. It is in the pauses, the subtle hints, and the interplay between expectation and surprise that the magic of mystery truly comes alive. Halloween is not simply about what we see, it is about what we feel, what we imagine, and how we choose to express ourselves. It thrives on atmosphere, drawing us into moods that linger long after the moment has passed. It feeds on imagination, giving us the freedom to explore, experiment, and invent in ways that feel limitless. It honors tradition while celebrating play, weaving together past and present in a way that feels timeless and deeply human. Above all, it embraces expression, allowing each person to capture the season in a way that is entirely their own. It reminds us that Halloween is a celebration of imagination, a moment to step outside the usual and embrace something unexpected. It is a season where stories come alive, where curiosity is rewarded, and where the simplest ideas can carry the deepest meaning. Each experience, each choice, and each shared moment contributes to the rich tapestry that makes Halloween unforgettable. It is this enduring combination of creativity, atmosphere, and expression that ensures the spirit of Halloween will always inspire us, calling us to dream, to wonder, and to celebrate the magic that exists just beyond the everyday.